Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Concept. Today we will be learning about Fibonacci retracement, but we will be looking into some golden strategies that you can apply while using Fibonacci. But before that, if you're new to the video, you can go in the description. There is a link below. With the help of that, you can download and install Concept web application. After successful registration, you will get some free tools in the application that you can use for your trading. Also, in the application, we have a video library, a pool of videos that consists you can say various strategies and Pro Plus tools. So you can watch these videos. They are available in multiple languages. At any point of time, you guys are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can go in the support section and our contact number and email ID will be given to you, right? You can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Now let's get back to today's session, that is on the Fibonacci retracement with some golden strategies. So for that, you have to go in the analyze section and in charts, right? Now in chart, right now I have opened the chart of Nifty and currently the time frame that I'm analyzing at 45 minutes, right? Now after this, what you have to do, just let me remove this, okay? So first of all, you have to click this option and in this option, there is a Fibonacci retracement, okay? So if you will apply Fibonacci retracement, so it will look like this, okay? Now in this Fibonacci retracement, I have enabled some settings. So let me show you what you have to do. You have to disable all the numbers. For example, there will be certain numbers that will be enabled like this, okay? So what you have to do, you have to disable all these numbers and you should be enabling only 5 numbers, that is 0.382, 0.618, then 0.5 and 1.618, right? Then there will be a number that is 1, but instead of 1, I will edit this number. I have edited this number 0.66. So you should also be having this number in this, okay? So what you have to do, you can just enable it and there will be 1. So instead of 1, you should edit it to 0.66, okay? So you can see the numbers are 0.382, 0.618, 0.66, 0.5 and 1.618, right? So these are the golden ratio that I will use in my strategy, right? Then I will click on OK. So all these numbers have successfully been plotted on my chart, right? Now first thing is first. I will never go against my price action, right? If my market is showing me the upward trend, I will not make my retracement in the bearish direction. If my market is showing me a bearish trend, then I will only make my trade or I will retrace market in the bearish direction, not in the bullish direction, right? So I will go with the price action. I will not go against my price action, right? So for that, I can see in the 45 minutes time frame in Nifty, currently my market is in uptrend. You can clearly see the market is in uptrend, right? So if my market is in uptrend, what I'll do, I will see some points here. For example, what I will do, I will see like which is the lowermost point and which is the highest point here, right? So I will apply, I will just choose the lowermost point. So this is my lowermost point, okay? This is my lowermost point and I will apply the other thing to the higher point, that is this point. This is my higher of the market, right? So I will extend it like this, okay? So this is my Fibonacci retracement here, right? Now how to analyze this? Let me zoom it a little bit, okay? You can see when my market broke this level, okay? So there is a level, I think you can see it clearly. That level is of 0.68 to 0.66. Right now this is a very small zone that I have made here, and this will work as my golden pocket. You can say it is your golden pocket, right? Your market will always reverse itself from this zone, but at any point of time, if it will break this zone, or you can say a golden pocket, so you can say it a golden pocket, right? So at any point of time, if your market will break it, it means there will be no retracement then, right? So it will go till 1.618, right? So you can see I have made the low this and the high is this one, the high is this one. Then you can see when my market broke this golden pocket, at that time it went further upwards and there was a very good movement, right? If you will analyze it in 15 minutes time frame, so you can see there was a very good movement here, okay? So let me analyze in 15 minutes time frame, right? So just a second. in 15-minute time frame, you can see when this golden pocket was broken, this zone from 0.66 to 0.618, when it was broken, there was a very good movement, and that movement was a impulsive movement. You can see a good movement in the bullish side. Okay, after coming back, my market, it was supposed to retrace from here, but when this pocket was successfully broken, then you can see a very good movement in the bearish direction. Okay, so this movement आप इसको पकड़ सकते थे, ठीक है. सो इट शुड बी ऑल ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस गोल्डन पॉकेट. अगर यहां से रिट्रेस हुआ, ठीक है, सो इफ योर मार्केट विल रिट्रेस फ्रॉम हियर, सो देयर विल बी अ वेरी गुड कैंडल इन द अबव साइड. फॉर एग्जांपल, योर मार्केट इज गोइंग हियर, ओके, एंड when the market will come at this golden pocket, and there will be a good green candle, at that time it will retrace itself, right? But you can see here a good red candle broke it down, so it means your market will be in bearish direction, right? So let's take this example. Let's apply this Fibonacci at some other levels. So what I'll do, I will see like in the bearish direction where I'm getting some readings here. So first of all, I can see this is my lower point in the bearish direction, and this is my highest point. So what I'll do, I will just apply my Fibonacci retracement here. Okay, I will apply my Fibonacci retracement at this level. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to mark the low of this, I have to mark the high of this and low of this, right? So just give me a second, let me deploy my Fibonacci retracement here. So I will take the low of this level, just a second. So let me delete it first, and then I'll apply it again. Okay, so this is my lower point, this is my highest point, and I'm going for the negative direction. So what I'll do, I will mark the high, I will mark the low and high of this. Okay, so this is my low, and then this is my high, right? I will apply it like this. Okay, and this is the highest one. Okay, you can see I'm extending it. So this is my high point, right? You can see when my market broke it down, so good movement, I have applied it in 15 minutes, a good movement. And when this golden pocket was broken, then again there was a very good movement in the downward direction. Okay, let me show you some other examples as well. So let me apply it here at this point, right? So I will take a low here, just a second. I will take a lower point here. So this is my lower point, this is my lower point here at this level. And for the higher market, for the higher point, I have this point as my highest point, right? So this is my highest point, right? Yes, this is my highest point, right? Now you can see my market was taking rejection at this golden pocket, right? But when my market broke it down, when my market broke it out at this point, I can see a very good movement in the upward direction, right? So this golden pocket, that is 0.618 to 0.66, that golden pocket will be very crucial for your trading. If your market will break it down or break it out, that will give you a very good movement in the upward or bearish movement, okay, or in the downward direction. Okay, let's take some other example. Okay, so let me apply this at some other places. So for that, let me select a time frame of 45 minutes. That will show me a trend as well. Okay, तो मैं ट्रेंड के साथ चलूंगा, और लेट्स सी हम इसको और कहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो आई कैन सी अ गुड मूवमेंट हेयर एज वेल. ओके, यहाँ पे भी मेरे को एक अच्छा मूवमेंट देखने को मिला, और यहाँ पे भी एक अच्छा मूवमेंट देखने को मिला. सो लेट्स टेक दिस वन एज अ एग्जांपल, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरे को एक बेरिश बुलिश मूवमेंट भी है मार्केट मेरा, तो मैं मार्केट के साथ जाऊंगा. नाउ आई विल अगेन सेलेक्ट माय फिबोनाची एंड आई विल अप्लाई इट टू दिस पॉइंट, क्योंकि ये मेरा लोअर पॉइंट है. ठीक है, तो इस लोअर पॉइंट से हायर पॉइंट पे जाएंगे. तो दिस इज माय लोअर पॉइंट, और लोअर पॉइंट से आई विल अप्लाई इट टू दिस यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने इसको अप्लाई किया, तो इसको अप्लाई कर देता हूं. देन यू कैन सी योर मार्केट वेंट अपवर्ड्स, ब्रोक इट डाउन, अ बेरिश मूवमेंट. ठीक है, और कहीं पे देखते हैं और कहीं पे मिल रहा है क्या. तो लेट्स सी सम अदर एग्जांपल. यहाँ पे मेरा एक बेरिश मूवमेंट मेरे को दिख रहा है. चलो ये वाला देखो, यहाँ पे एक मार्केट नीचे से ऊपर जा रहा है. लेट्स सी कहाँ से रिट्रेस होता है. फिर से उठाऊंगा फिबोनाची, ये पॉइंट मेरा रहेगा यहाँ पे, ये पॉइंट मेरा रहेगा लोअर मोस्ट पॉइंट, एंड माई हायर पॉइंट विल बी दिस. सो दिस विल बी माई रिट्रेसमेंट. यहाँ से देखो, सो यू कैन सी ये मेरा मार्केट यहाँ पे आया. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आया, इसने इसको ब्रेक किया, तो अब वापस 15 मिनट्स में शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो 45 मिनट्स में अप्लाई करेंगे और उसके बाद एंट्री देखेंगे 15 मिनट में। तो कहां पे है मेरा, यस दिस इज द पॉइंट, यू कैन सी हियर। ठीक है, तो सी माई मार्केट वेंट अपवर्ड्स, इट टुक अ रिजेक्शन फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, 0 पॉइंट जो मेरा गोल्डन पॉकेट है, गोल्डन पॉकेट से ही इट टुक अ रिजेक्शन एंड देन इट वेंट इन द डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन। ठीक है, बट व्हेन इट ब्रोक इट आउट, जो मेरा गोल्डन पॉकेट है 0.66 से 0.618, इसको ब्रेक किया तो यू गॉट अ गुड मूवमेंट इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन। अगेन इट केम बैक एंड इसी पॉइंट से जहां पे मेरी गोल्डन पॉकेट है, एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई गॉट अ कैंडल हियर। और यहां पे आपको कंफर्मेशन कैसे मिलती है, तो कंफर्मेशन आई कैन सी एट द गोल्डन पॉकेट देयर इज अ ग्रीन कैंडल एंड दिस ग्रीन कैंडल इज अ बुलिश इनगल्फिंग कैंडल एंड आई गॉट अ वेरी गुड मूवमेंट। मैं 15 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम देख रहा हूं, तो यू कैन सी कि मेरे को करीबन 1 घंटे में, आने वाले 1 घंटे में अच्छा खासा मूवमेंट मिला, राइट। देन व्हेन माय मार्केट ब्रोक इट डाउन, सो यू कैन सी देन अ गुड डाउन ट्रेंड टिल माय दिस लेवल 0.382 तक मेरे को एक अच्छा डाउनवर्ड मूवमेंट मिला। ठीक है, एंड व्हेन अगेन माय मार्केट केम टू दिस लेवल, तो यहां पे काफी कंसोलिडेशन भी मिल रही है। और व्हेन देयर वाज अ गुड कैंडल, यहां पे आप देखो एक अच्छी कैंडल आपको देखने को मिली एंड देन देयर वाज अ वेरी इंपल्सिव मूवमेंट इन माय मार्केट। ठीक है, सो दिस कैन बी अप्लाइड फॉर योर फर्दर मार्केट एज वेल। ठीक है, नाउ देयर वर मेनी कमेंट्स जो मेरे को बोल रहे थे कि भाई पुराने एग्जांपल, तो एक्चुअली हम पुराने एग्जांपल दिखाते हैं सो दैट यू कैन सी कि हाउ द टूल इज वर्किंग। बट इफ यू वांट टू एनालाइज इट इन लाइव मार्केट में, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूं, मार्केट लाइव तो नहीं है, बट हाउ इट कैन बी यूज्ड इन दी करंट मार्केट में कैसे आप यूज कर सकते हो। तो लेट्स सी, सो दैट I have to again use the Fibonacci retracement. This is my higher point, this is my lower point, this is my high point for the current market. Okay, so what I'll do, I will just place my lower point to this level and my higher point, जो मेरा higher point है, so I will apply my it to the higher point. ठीक है, so this is my higher point for the current market. Okay, this is my higher point for the current market, right? So you can see when I have applied here, this is my higher point, so currently my market is at this level. Okay, and I am analyzing it in the 15 minutes. So क्या हो सकता है, my market is at this region whenever it will come to this order block, जो आपका गोल्डन पॉकेट है 0.66 to 0.618, if it will come at this level, so with the help of a confirmation of a good green candle, एक अच्छी, it can be a bearish bullish engulfing candle, it can be a hammer candle, it can be a marubozu। ठीक है, तो जैसे ही वो इस पॉइंट पे बनती है, then you can initiate your trade in the bullish direction। ठीक है, in the bullish direction you can treat 1.618 as your target because you will get a very good momentum in the bullish direction. But at any point of time, if your market will break this level, this golden pocket in the downward side, at that moment you can trade in the bearish direction and then 0.382 will be your target। ठीक है, तो वो bearish direction में होगा। So this golden pocket will be a thing for you with which you can trade with the help of Fibonacci retracement. Just make sure you use confirmation of some good candles like bullish engulfing, like hammer, like marubozu in the bullish side, and similarly like hanging man or like bearish engulfing. Okay, so these kind of candle for your bearish market, right? So I hope the concept is clear. I hope the readings are clear the way I have told you. I hope everything is clear to you. अगर आपको मजा आया, अगर आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया, you can like the video. Okay, you can share it with your friends who are confused about Fibonacci retracement, so you can show them this golden strategy. Okay, this golden pocket strategy you can show them. Okay, also you can share your views in the comment section as well. Thank you so much guys, this is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.